Welcome to this tutorial on how you can use AI platforms such as Lovable, Base44 and Claude GPT to create a beautiful website and then upload it to Builderall without building anything from scratch. Before we get started, please note it is only possible to upload static sites. That means you cannot upload sites that depend on data files, dynamic files or any programming files such as PHP, Python, etc. You can also import individual files like .zip files, also sites with unique behavior like JSON, JS, HTML, and HTML is all possible. Furthermore, you can also import images, videos, custom fonts and documents, MD, XML, .csv, PDF, and TXT files. Now that you are aware of these important points, let's get to the fun part. First, I used Base44 to create a website for me. I then asked the AI to generate a zip file statically so I can upload it to my Builderall account. So let's test it. I'm going to click on AI HTML upload. I'm going to go grab the file that I saved on my desktop. I'm going to open and then set upload and analyze. Now the site has been created and I'm going to say yes, publish my website. And then I can go straight to the website to take a look at what the site looks like. There you go, the site has been created. So if I scroll through the site, you can see how beautiful the site was created in literally a few seconds. I'm going to keep on looking a little bit so that you can see what this looks like and how interactive these are. By just clicking on the buttons, I can go to the back of the top of a page, claim your discount, and it will jump to the area where I'm going to fill in my information. This is how beautiful the builder can create the website in just a few seconds. Just remember to publish the site, otherwise you will not be able to see it. Another point, if you want to connect Google Analytics, Tag Manager, Meta, or add Mailing Boss, you will need to add it into the code via the AI platform you are using. Also, if you want to change anything on the website, like where a button should go to, you will need to make the changes on the AI Builder, as it cannot be done inside the Builderall platform. After you made the changes, you need to download the full zip file again and import it into Builderall by replacing the current file with the new one. Let me show you where. Right here on the page, you will see that there's three little dots. You're going to click on that and you're going to click Change HTML. You're going to grab it right here, upload the file, upload and analyze, and it will override the existing information with the new information that you've just created in the AI. Last thing, you can also configure the supercharged bundle right here at the top of the page. That is how easy it is to create websites without writing any code using AI and importing it into our builder. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.